साऊंड पोल्युशनाचे परत परत हायकोर्ट बडी मारता पण कांयच गजाली आतां हायकोर्टाक लागून मातशी जाग्यार पडल्या काय कितें अशें दिसता जे चडशें काम तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडच्यान जावपा जाय आशिल्लें.
See, I personally, I totally agree with what you're saying. But unfortunately, the system is such that I have tried my best. I have not surrendered. I'm give you my word. I'm taking it up as a personal challenge. If I may confess to you, I have gone incognito to the belt. Unfortunately, my bad luck. And I did not take people. Nobody from my office knew that I was really going to go. I'm not sure if my driver, if the taxi driver that I hired informed them. Because when I traveled personally throughout the belt, I did not find one place playing loud music. Believe me, I'm telling the truth. And I'll go further and tell you, without your permission, I even took a reporter of yours. But we didn't find any place open. I was told it was a wrong date. I will again go shortly because it pains me to get up in the morning and read whatever comes on the newspapers vis-a-vis sound. As far as the process is concerned, I'm told who has to take action is primarily the police department.
अशी मुळगी मागीर तुम्ही डॉक्टरांचे टेबल टेनिस सुरू करता.
I said I'm told.
हय.
I said I'm told. Let me finish. The process is that we have installed monitors in the pollution board. We have also installed monitors at the police station. I formed a committee recently. It is a shame to tell you that I formed a committee recently of pollution board, police officials, deputy collectors, but it failed to take off.
Why?
Because everyone played football. That is why I have taken it upon myself now to go myself and see for myself first, which I will do.